Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Selenite Gray. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Silk beige MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Heated seats, memory seats. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Advanced parking assistance package with Parktronic with parking assist. Surround view backup camera with sensors. Hard keys for the media display. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. Turn wheel for the infotainment center. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 30,542 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.